At the spoon. What are you saying? Oh, you getting it? Alright, Mateo, alright.
What, do you want a fifty?
No,
oh, the bowl. Are you going to go feed Isabella? Well, she's already done.
He doesn't like force it in her mouth or anything. Yeah.
You feeding Isabella, Mateo?
Oh, see what I mean? That's what I mean. He's going to choke her. Like, he has good intentions, I know, but you can't ram it down her throat. Okay, gentle, gentle. Gentle. Hold on there. Gentle. Okay. Good job, Puddin'. I know you're doing good. What do you like it?
You want some? Is this something you'll actually eat?
Gentle now, gentle, gentle. Oh, she's opening
Oh,
her
she
mouth. Oh, she's looking for it too.
Are you hungry, Isabella?
You want to give some to Nanny? Thank you.
Oh, some for Mommy. Thank you. Oh, some for Daddy. Daddy's busy right now. Putting in our new faucet.
I don't know why I bought you guys. Or no, I didn't buy it for you. I bought it for Fiona. The video.